Hey guys, Pat from P.U.C.K here. Today we're looking at the S1000RR and my list of top 5 modifications. So specific to this bike, it's a 2011 S1000RR. I don't like the Gen 2s, Gen 3s because they became like PlayStation-ish. The quick shifter up and down, the auto blip, I'm not a fan of that. The first modification that I would recommend that anybody would get is a radiator guard and an oil cooler guard. As you saw in one of the previous shorts, which I'll show here somewhere, you saw that it got a hole in and the previous owner decided to epoxy it shut. Second modification on the list that I would put on definitely is the exhaust. So this bike has got a full exhaust, so it's headers, mid-pipe, and then the short T silencer. The third modification I would go with is just pure preference, that's shorty levers. So I prefer short levers, just each his own. The next one to protect your tank from belt buckle, buttons, whichever, and your jacket would be a tank pad. And then from there onwards, the last modification would be phone holder. It's always that you're trying to listen with Bluetooth, but it's better that you see the map. And that's it. That's my top 5 modifications. Just to discuss things that's going to happen in the future. It's just a short overview. That GSX-R, that project needs to get done. So behind me, you'll also see I've got another project. And then there in the corner, I've got somebody else's that I'm busy with. So this RMZ I picked up recently. And yeah, we'll probably do some outing videos with it. I've just got a couple of maintenance things that I need to do, so that'll be in upcoming videos. I've got a radiator that I need to replace, stupid small things. The Vitara, which is parked outside, obviously didn't start today, which, yeah, is a bit of an issue. That engine swap is still incoming, so there was a whole bunch of research that needed to be done, and I found the ideal engine, so that I'm going to leave as a surprise. Then the 1400 will be coming back. There's some parts in the corner there for it. I've got some modifications to do. That's going to be the simple stuff, the issues that we picked up. So diff needs replacing, gearbox needs replacing. But then I'm going to do something special. I've got an adaptation that I want to do, and I'm going to be putting in either BMW gearbox or something alike to that. I've had good experiences with BMW gearboxes in the past. So I'm going to show you one of 2 ways with both the Vitara and with the 1400, welding the bell housing and building an adapter. Those are the 2 things that we'll be doing. Then from there onwards, I've got a surprise which I'll be making a video on. It's a new project car, and I think you guys have already seen the teaser with it on the short, which I'll link here or wherever. That introduction video is currently being shot. Once that's done, it will be ready for viewing. And then I just have the daily, which I need to do maintenance on, which I'm also going to dive into in the coming months. There's some mechatronics and stuff that I need to look at. Yeah, that's it. The following video will be where I show you the installation of all these parts. So that'll be just a quick short 5-minute video. Enough of me rambling. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and we'll see you around. Enjoy.